In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book local flight in booking.com. Start by opening your browser and heading to booking.com. On the home page, look for the top navigation bar and select flights. That takes you to the flight search page where you'll set up your itinerary. Choose the trip type that fits your plans. If you're coming back, select round trip. If you're only flying one direction, choose one way. Next, click Leaving From and type your city or local airport, then click Going to and choose your destination. For domestic travel, search for local cities or airports within your country so you'll see local flight options. Set your travel dates by opening the calendar. Click your departure date, and if you're returning, click your return date too. If your schedule is flexible, glance at nearby dates to spot better prices or flight times. Then open the traveler's menu to select how many people are flying. Adjust adults, children, and infants as needed so the search reflects your group correctly. When your basics are ready, click Done to close the selectors, then click Search. You'll land on the results page where you can browse all available flights. Take a moment to compare departure and arrival times, total travel duration, and whether a flight is nonstop or has layovers. If you need to fine-tune the list, use filters for times, stops, or airlines to narrow it down to what works best. When you spot an option you like, click View Details. Read the full breakdown carefully. Baggage allowances, change or refund rules, and connection times are important to check before you commit. If everything looks good, click Continue. You'll now add traveler details. Enter each first and last name exactly as shown on the government ID or passport you'll use at the airport. Select the gender as it appears on that document to avoid check-in issues. When you've reviewed for accuracy, click Done. Add your contact details so you can receive confirmations and any schedule updates. Double check that your email and phone number are correct, then click Next. On the ticket selection screen, choose your ticket type. Standard tickets are a common budget-friendly choice, while more flexible options may allow changes for a fee. Review what's included, then click Continue. If standard meets your needs, go ahead with that selection. Finally, proceed to payment. Review the price summary, flight times, traveler info, and fare conditions one last time. Enter your payment details securely, confirm, and submit your booking. You'll receive a confirmation with your itinerary and next steps, and that's how to book a local flight on booking.com.